Article 115 to 122. Article 115 to 122. So these are deals about special provisions to financial bills, vote on accounts, vote on credits, etc. Rules of procedure. These are relating to these articles. Let us discuss about each and every article of Indian Constitution. First one is Article 115. Supplementary, additional or excess grants. Supplementary, additional or excess grants according to Article 115. According to Article 116, it speaks that votes on account, votes of credit and exceptional grants. Article 117 says that special provisions as to financial bills. Special provisions as to financial bills. Article 118, rules of procedure. Article 118, rules of procedure. Article 119, regulation by law of procedure in Parliament in relation to financial business. Article 120 of Indian Constitution, language to be used in Parliament. Which language used to be in Parliament? So that is according to Article 120. Article 121, a restriction on discussion in Parliament. Restriction on discussion in Parliament. So whatever possibility to discuss about the public interest matters or etc. Article 122, courts not inquire into proceedings of Parliament. Courts not inquire into proceedings of Parliament. According to Article 122, courts not inquire into proceedings of Parliament. So that is Chapter 2, Article 115 to 122 of our Indian Constitution.